Okay, hi. So let's start with additional question bank of ratio proportion indices log. Actually, on the indices log, there are no ratio proportion questions here. A lot of students face question how to solve these questions in 1 minute. इतने बड़े questions है, how to solve them in 1 minute. So let's see how to actually solve them in 1 minute. Okay, we'll try to solve as many as we can in 1 minute. So let me show you some tricks. First question we have to solve normally. I mean that is the best way I feel. Value of this is, so let's simplify. 6 raised to minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 7 raised to 2 minus minus 4, that is 2 plus 4 6, whole bracket raised to 7 by 2. 6 raised to minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5. 7 raised to 3 minus minus 5, that is 3 plus 5 8, raised to minus 5 by 2. Let's multiply it inside. 6 raised to minus 3 into 7 is minus 21 by 2. 7 raised to 6 into 7 by 2, if we cancel this it will be 3 into 7 21. Then again minus 5 into minus 5 is 25 by 2. 7 raised to 4 into 5 is minus 20. I hope you know all the basic rules of indices. That is what I am assuming since this is additional question bank. Next, so let's simplify this. Minus 21 by 2 plus 25 by 2. 25 minus 21 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. And 7 raised to 21 minus 20 is 1. So 36 into 7 will be the answer. 36 into 7 is 252, option B. Now these are real challenging ones from second. Don't solve, don't simplify these questions. You have calculator, let's use them in the most efficient way. Do not solve these questions with steps. Concentrate. We have to add all the powers in the numerator, right? So let's do them m plus and x का power यहाँ पे m minus, because that is in denominator. Because we know rules of indices, numerator के powers will add, denominator के powers will subtract. So 2 by 7 m plus, 2 by 5 m plus, 9 by 7 negative. कैसे करोगे? 9 by 7 and then plus minus sign press करो, press plus minus sign and then m plus, and don't take this, this is z, right? Denominator में we have this minus 3 by 5, so 3 by 5 negative and m minus. If you press MRC you should get 0, which means x raised to 0. Z के लिए let's follow same process. ऊपर है 5 by 6 m plus, 1 by 2 negative, so 1 by 2 plus minus sign, m minus because it is in denominator, then 2 by 3 m minus, once again 2 by 3 m minus. If you press MRC you get 0.000001, that is 0. So anything raised to 0 is 1, so answer will be 1, option A. Next, on simplification this reduces to, understand, अगर options में there is no x, y or anything, then you can assume any values for x, y that you want. Okay, so let's assume here x and y both as 1. Let's assume x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So now this will be simplified. Let's simplify this. 2 raised to 1 plus 3, 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16 into 3 raised to 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so 3 into 5 raised to 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5 raised to 5, 5 raised to 5 into 6 raised to 1 plus 1, that is 6 square. नीचे 6 raised to 1 plus 1, that is again 6 square. 10 raised to 1 plus 3, that is 10 raised to 4. 15 raised to 1, that is 15. So now we can do this on calculator. 6 square we can cancel. And now let's do this first. 5 raised to 5. So 5 into and 4 times equal to into 3 into 16 divided by 10 raised to 4, मतलब 10 4 times, right? So how to do it? Divide by 10 and 4 times equal to 1 2 3 4 and divided by 15 also, because this is also there. So you get answer as 1. 1 is the correct answer, option C. That's it. It is that easy. Fourth, now this ideally we should solve, but here also we have a trick to go by options. Ideally, see, ideally in exam you should solve, that will give you a faster answer, I feel. But अगर आपको difficult लगता है, if you feel solving is difficult, then go by options. How? X minus y find करना है. We have to find x minus y. Let's assume simplest option is this, right? Let's assume x minus y is 0. That means x is equal to y. So let's assume x and y both as 1. And let's check कि answer आता है क्या. Let's check if we get the answer. X and y is 1. So let's try. X is 1, y is also 1. So this will become 9 raised to 1, 9. 3 square. 3 raised to minus 1, that is nothing but 3. Minus 27 raised to 1 is 27. 3 raised to 3x is 3 raised to 3 into 2 cube is 8 is equal to 1 by 27. So let's check this on calculator. 9 into 3 square is also 9 into 3 minus 27. So numerator is 216. 216 divided by, actually you can do it on calculator also, divided by 3 and then 3 times equal to, because 3 is to 3, and divided by 2 and then again 3 times equal to. You get answer as 1, but we want answer as 1 by 27. So this is the wrong option. So let's select another option now. That's why I said solving this question would be a faster way. But अगर आपको difficult लगता है solve करना तो you can follow this. Let's assume x minus y as 1. If x minus y is 1, that means we can assume x as 2, y as 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So let's assume x as 2, y as 1. So this will be again 1. This will be cancelled. 1. X is 2, that means this will become 3 raised to 6, right? Let's do it on calculator. 9 into 3 minus 27 divided by 3 6 times. So 3 and then 6 times equal to, then divided by 2 cube is 8. So that gives us 0.037 recurring. And check if this is also the same answer. 1 by 27 is also 0.037 recurring. That means they are equal, so this is the correct answer. Next, fifth, show that this is given by what? Again, there is no x, y in the x or abc in the options, so we can assume anything that we want. But now don't assume 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, abc as 1, 1, because 1 minus 1 will become 0, so that will not be possible, right? So let's assume a as 1, b as 2, c as 3. Now let's simplify this. This will become a is 1, b is 2, c is 3, remember. So that is going to become, let me erase this and write here. First bracket will become x raised to 1 by a minus b is minus 1. So x raised to minus 1. Raised to 1 by a minus c, that is minus 2. So 1 by minus 2. Into x raised to b minus c is again minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. 1 by b minus a is 1 by 1. So 1. Into x raised to 1 by c minus a is 2. Into 1 by c minus b is 1. So this will become, so if you multiply this, this will become x raised to half. This will become x raised to minus 1. This will become x raised to half. Sorry, half. Positive half, right? So if we add the powers, half plus half minus 1 is 0. So x raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. So 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Sixth, show that this is given by. Again, in options there is no x or y or anything. So let's put x as 1, easiest way, right? Let's put x as 1. So this will be 16 into 32 into 2 raised to 3 into 1 minus, okay, 3 into 1, right? Minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 only. So only 2. 4 raised to 1 plus 1 is 2. So 16 actually. Divided by 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is nothing. 16 raised to 1 is 16. 5 raised to 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is nothing. Again, this x is nothing because that is 1. So let's just do this. That is the easiest way. 16 into 32 minus 2, sorry, minus 2 into 16, right? 2 into 16 is 32. So 16 into 32 minus 32 divided by 15 divided by 16, that gives us 2. 2 is 2 deta hai, 2, right? So this entire first part is 2. This entire second part is 5 by root of square of 5 मतलब 5 ही होता है. 5 by 5 is 1. So 2 minus 1. 1 is the correct answer, option A. Seventh. Now यहाँ पे no need to go by anything. This is, we can plainly solve this. X raised to a minus b, a plus b. So that is going to be x raised to a square minus b square. If you see simply, first bracket is a square minus b square plus, because into, second bracket will be b square minus c square plus, third bracket will be c square minus a square. So we can cancel everything. X raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. Next, again no need to put anything, this is easy. X raised to, first of all we can subtract this, so x raised to a square minus b square and a plus bth root, that means raised to 1 by a plus b. So 1 by a plus b se raise karna hai. So we can say only simplify first term, always take first term and simplify, then write the rest term accordingly. Okay, so first term will become x raised to a plus b, a minus b by a plus b. So that is just a minus b. That means first term is x raised to a minus b, second term is going to be b minus c, third term is going to be c minus a. So again everything is getting cancelled. X raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. Ninth, so that this reduces to, now we can put on values that can help because this is complicated. So let's put again a as 1, b as 2, c as 3, easiest. So x raised to b plus c, 5 by c minus a, 2 raised to 1 by a minus b is minus 1 into x raised to c plus a is 4 divided by a minus b is minus 1 raised to 1 by b minus c is minus 1 into x raised to x raised to a plus b is 3 by b minus c is minus 1 raised to 1 by c minus a is 1 by 2. Now this is easy to simplify. Let's try it out. This will be x raised to, this is minus 1, right? So minus 5 by 2 plus this power will be added, minus 1 nothing, so 4, and again this we can multiply, so minus 3 by 2, right? So let's add this, minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 means minus 8 by 2 plus 4, that is x raised to minus 4 plus 4, that is x raised to 0, x raised to 0 is 1 again, right? 10th, so that this reduces to, again no need to put values because this is quite simple. This will be x raised to AB minus AC, right? So AB minus AC plus BC minus BA, so BC minus AB matlab, plus AC minus BC. So we can just cancel BC, BC, AC, AC, AB, AB. X raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Let's solve one more. 11th. Show that this reduces to. Okay. Now here also if you go to solve, that is going to become complicated. So let's try to put values, a as 1, b as 2, c as 3. So x raised to b minus c. B minus c is 2 minus 3 minus 1 divided by b into c. B into c is 2 into 3, 6, plus c minus a. C minus a is 3 minus 1, 2 divided by c into a, 3 into 1, 3, plus a minus b. A minus b is going to be minus 1, so let's write it as minus 1 instead of plus, minus 1 divided by a into b. A into b is going to be 2. So let's add this, x raised to minus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Don't even go to LCM. 1 by 6 m minus 2 by 3 m plus 1 by 2 m minus. If you press MRC, it is 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so for this video let's solve these questions only. We'll go to next questions in next video. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments, doubts or suggestions, let me know. I have also put link of my Telegram channel in the chat, on which I put MCQs regularly, so refer to it, that will be helpful. You should always try to solve each question in under 1 minute. Okay, that should be our objective. Okay, so chalo, bye everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know. Chalo, bye.